back to Fridge and Pipes Garage. Today we are unboxing a 75 Ford F100. You take it from here. Oh wait, your head's crooked, you can't talk. So yeah, we're taking the box off of this thing. As you'll see, it's in bad shape, so it's going to be a lot of fun. And we're totally not going to be cursing the whole time at all. And it's just so exciting. But it has to come off because we have to determine if the frame is bent or not.
It's bent. It's definitely bent.
It might be bent. This is where the make or break moment where we find out. So join us along our journey while we take the box off.
Hell yeah. Showcase. I thought we were pulling the direction at first.
Oh yeah. That's going to be awesome. Can't wait.
I mean, pry bar hole.
There we go.
That was seized. Holy.
We should spray these.
Right in my eyeballs.
I actually wanted to vinegar bath everything and restore it.
Great googly moogly.
Okay, what is this noggin? 90s kids know what noggin is.
I'm not a 90s kid. Actually, I was born in 2001.
Actually?
I just know David Goggins.
David Walton Goggins?
Yeah. You need to carry the logs, Seth, or you need to carry the boats?
I'm gonna carry the boats.
I'm gonna carry the logs.
Who's gonna carry the boats?
You're gonna.
Something's dead. Spiders.
No, they should all be dead by now.
I think they might be.
I hope they are. I hate spiders. That day we were pulling the brakes off, so many spiders, man. It was nasty. What's that? No, that's we haven't had a good freeze yet.
Yeah.
No.
These are still green.
Yeah, it's like what, middle of October now? And we haven't had a freeze yet. Oh, excuse me.
Did you toot again?
No, I just got puked.
Oh, that'll happen. Get it off of there, Chief Science Officer. Oh, there it goes.
Boom.
Right on. Well, that's one of them anyway. I'll rotate it one. Oh, never mind. The cap just came out.
Oh, that's fine.
And so we're just going to do that. That is how to not remove a drive shaft, kids.
How to remove your drive shaft.
Just let the caps fall off.
102.1. Rock.
Look at that. Oh.
Yeah, we're changing this.
Good.
It's impressive, actually. I've never seen one rust like that.
No, it's kind of neat.
You ever seen that on the slip yoke before?
Pretty cool.
Like the whole tip rusted and broke.
Yeah. Well, that might be from it dragging on the ground.
No, it's not fresh. It's all rusty.
Oh,
so
yeah, right.
I broke. I rusted away. Okay. It's kicking out my impact. That's tight. Unless this battery's dead. This battery's dead. Okay, we're not pooched yet. I'll start pulling the tank if you want to put heat to those. I'm just gonna start doing that. I'll wait for. I'll give the benefit of the doubt, but I don't think it's gonna work. Did it work?
Snapped it.
Oh, that works. Okay.
Clean off.
Now comes the fun part of we never disconnected the filler neck. Seth, you never pulled the sending unit plug off, and I need a clipper for the hose.
Clipper.
Yeah, on the front wall there. Nope, front wall. Hose cutter.
Get your whole hand off of that.
Hose cutter.
There's no way.
Bro, you're just that good.
I'm just that good.
I didn't catch it though.
Oh, not that guy.
I am not that guy. Okay, now the filler neck's gonna f us. That's fine. Spinning.
Oh no, what is holding it in?
The fuel on the filler neck. Like I said. Oh. Time to get varnish in my eyeballs. Get out of my swamp!
There it is.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Got the vent line.
Oh yeah. Yeah, one sec.
Ow. Are we winning?
Oh,
Maybe? Kinda, sorta?
wires. There you go. Hey,
Self-clearancing. Okay. Ready?
sure. Where are you going?
On the floor.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Ow. That's a differential.
Careful, there's a dip there.
Goddamn Fords. What do you... Why? Why? Why?
You have to-
Why? What? What? Why?
It's a U-bolt. The greatest invention ever.
Why? Why'd they do that?
I couldn't agree more.
I blame Lee Iacocca, but I think he was at Chrysler by this point.
75.
What if we just like nip all the heads of the bolts off in the box?
I
like that plan better.
Okay, cool.
Okay, no idea. Changing strategies. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna test this theory on this one. Round two. Up and away. Okay. Whoa. What's happening?
Just it's bending. Wiring and bending. Yeah, you're caught on the wires here. It's completely tight.
Want me to go down?
Yeah. Right there is good. Do you want me to cut the fuel filler hose while I'm down here too?
Oh, I forgot about that. That's why that box side was folding in.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's like caved in now.
Is it?
Oh yeah. This is a swept side now. It's just gonna boil.
I was gonna say, it might smack you in the head here.
Allegedly, we're winning.
Yeah, keep going.
I think we're good there, aren't we?
Oh, there's a hole in the fuel tank.
Oh,
Jesus.
Wow. Rustiest F-150
Wow.
ever.
Just wow.
Like, it just gets more rusty every time we look at it. Like, what?
I'm not putting my hand in there. That's not a good idea.
There's probably a raccoon in there.
Yeah. I assume we're getting the truck out here. Wow, rolls on its own power.
Yeah, this box is pretty tough shape. I didn't realize this is so rotted out in here even.
Yeah.
Yeah, like we need every piece.
Yeah.
And it was red, not orange.
Huh.
I knew it.
Yeah, we'll put it on the trailer for tonight, but I don't think we're keeping this. So yeah, we don't have pictures of the truck. It's dark outside right now. I just got home from work today, but in short, as Seth put it, we are changing course on the project of the channel. We're gonna move on from the Ford for now. Not
Switch
saying
gears and do something different, just because there's too much that needs replacing with the F100. Body panels, it's going to need almost every single piece of metal that you can buy from LMC, which is absolutely insane. We priced it out and it's just not in the budget at this time.
Yeah,
it's just snowballed.
I think the sheet metal alone almost ate up our entire budget.
Yeah,
and we're going to be $2,000-$3,000 into an engine, well, $3,000 with heads, and transmission was another 700-ish plus the torque converter, so say 1,200. And we haven't touched paint, any of the suspension, interior, wheels, tires, any of that. So as of right now, the project is indefinitely on hold. As Seth and I have discussed, we are going to be moving forward with something different.
Switching gears, pivoting, whatever you want to call it. We're not, quitting YouTube. We're not giving up, and we're not quitting on this thing either. It will make an appearance at some point in the future.
Yeah,
we're just not going to say when.
Yeah, no exact.
We can't determine that right now.
No exact timeline on when.
So,
I think it sets an unrealistic expectation on us, and it would set an unrealistic expectation for you as the viewer if we were to say, "Yep, in 6 months from now we're going to start on it again," because we don't know where we're going to be in 6 months.
No, exactly.
If something else is taking off, we're going to follow that path, and it might be 2 or 3 years before we touch that truck again, but hopefully it is in the cards to finish that truck. I'd like to see it finished, but as of right now, it's at the point of we're going to spend more money on it than I think either of us are comfortable with spending on it.
Yeah, and it's kind of lost the want of our project being, something you can do yourself and in your own backyard, or you find this truck and you want to fix it up yourself and $10,000 is your budget. Well, we went over the budget once and we're not going to do it again. Yeah. So for now it's on hold.
Yeah. But don't fear, we will finish the engine build series, and we'll be going through that C6 transmission as well. At some point, machinist phoned me about 5 days ago. The block is done, and today's November the 6th.
November 6th.
Yeah, 6th today. So, it's the machinist, between the machine shop and waiting on parts and whatever, we've been 2 months for the engine, waiting to get it back, and should have it back hopefully within the next week, which then I'll order parts for it. And hopefully I can finish it, put it together come December, hopefully-ish, if parts show up. Transmission, waiting on a valve body, same thing. We're kind of in a holding pattern on that. As of right now, it's on hold, still sitting where we left it when we originally were going to start tackling it.
Yeah. You'll see that in a future episode.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to keep a steady stream of content coming out every 2 weeks like we've been doing.
Yep.
It's going to be different stuff and just kind of stuff that we have been putting off and, filmed and not filmed and coming up in the future. I've got some stuff in the works. Zach's got some stuff that he's already filmed and also has in the works. So there's going to be plenty of stuff for you guys to watch. So we're not abandoning any of you. And yeah, we appreciate all the viewership and the support and everything. It's real great. It means a lot. So yeah, we're going to keep on doing our thing.
So like I said, this episode, well, that'll come out tomorrow, November 7th. Proceeding, I think, we'll probably post my truck next, probably for the next couple episodes ish. And then like Seth was saying, I have 2 to 4 projects that at any given point I could say, okay, today's the day I'm going to start working on it and filming it. And he also has a couple. And like I said, before at the start of this kind of outro, I guess you could call it, we are currently in the works of acquiring another different project. There's a couple we have our eye on. We're not going to release any details till it is finalized, but no fear, we will be back with a vengeance.
With a main project vehicle that we're going to finish.
That we're going to finish. Yeah.
That we have a timeline and a deadline for that we're going to meet.
It needs to be done by July, end of July. And for those of you in the car community in Canada, you'll maybe have a guess at it. Maybe you'll have a guess at why we need it done for the end of July. But
that's all we're going to say.
I think that's all we're going to say. And I think that's a good way to partially end the Ford F100 series for now.
So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next episode.
You are in that one too.
I am.
Yeah, he's in that one.
I'm in that one. Bring the camera over here.
What are we doing? Bodywork with Fridge and Pipes Garage.
Hammer, box.
Bondo.
That's metal.
That's metal. Wow. Bro?
Oh my god. How did I get that out?
Dude, it rusted the galvanized. Sheet metal. It's like tin and
they just
rusted.
put it in there and then threw Bondo over it.
That's pretty yeah. You're being a door.
I can only jerk it so hard.
You catch that? JC's not as quick as York in his Fridge and Pipes.
Never will be.
Never will be.